guys, so for today's video we're in Keflavik. So what I'm gonna do here is that I'm gonna roleplay to land from Keflavik to what's this called again? Keflavik to RNG. So okay, so do you always know why I like RNG? Because it's my favorite thing, airport or land. So let's try Delta and 330. So how I'm gonna roleplay is like this, but I don't have access to the roleplay server on Discord because I don't have voice chat because I'm a kid. So YouTube, please don't what's that called again? Don't give me violation. I'm just a small content creator. Oops, see? I'm gonna catch the card. Is that okay? Okay, so need to push that. Move. Okay. How am I gonna do this? I go inside. Wait, what? Sorry guys, I have Delta but I don't hack. I just use them sometimes when I'm super laggy because my phone is very old. It's like 3 years ago. It's given by my dad. So that's our airplane. Oh, here's my gate. Yeah, it's this one. So okay. I'm so happy guys because now I have content. You know what I mean? I have content. Holy. So my new video has got over like what's this called again? 70 views, and it's my Cebu Pacific Greater Rockford to RNG, and yeah. So a big shout out for my big brother Kyle because he advertised me to this game that I now like. So from the old days I like Forsaken, but for now it's kinda boring, so I switched to a new game and told my brother where should I go. So he said PTFS. I didn't know what that was at first, but until I noticed that it's actually like game. So why I'm obsessive of planes is because we went to Mindanao. I'm from Philippines. We went to Mindanao because my Lola is birthday. Yeah, I don't know how to English that much because I'm Filipino, so I've been like happy because it's my first time going to an airplane, you know what I mean? So it makes me obsessed with airplanes because it's a new experience, you know what I mean? So okay, so go to first person. How can I go, bro? I can't go to first person. I think I will happen. The first person. Thank goodness. One minute. Wait, where am I going? Like for real, but where am I going? Oh, I forgot we're going to RNG. But where's the runway? Am I going in the wrong? Dude, I'm going in the wrong way, though. This is cargo, I guess. Do you need this cargo? You know what, though? I'm gonna be circling this email because I entered the wrong place, though. This is not the wrong way. Or even it's the wrong way though. Like, I haven't been on the Slavic International Airport before, but yeah. Push back, push back, push back. Push back there. So, you hear my aunt saying Filipino words because I'm from Philippines. So, shout out. So, I'm gonna say I'm gonna speak Tagalog. And if anyone if anyone is Filipino and watches this video, shout out to you. So, here we go. Hello guys, ako ay isang maliit na content creator. So, ako ay all about sa mga airplane dahil ako ay obsessed sa kanila. So, sa mga nanonood mga Pilipino, shout out po sa mga inyo at salamat din po sa support ninyo. So, okay. So, back to English. So, I revealed my real language and I wanted to push the runway though. But this thing is massive. You know what I mean? This airport is massive. Oh my goodness, bro. Why I'm laggy? Because I can't use data because I need the key for it. So I can't use what's this called again? It's called anti-lag or boost FPS or low graphics. Yeah, that's it. So it makes my graphics really low, so I would not lag. But sometimes, yeah, it still lags. But yeah, I don't need delta anymore. You know, I just don't need it. I don't need it code. I don't exploit, guys. Please don't ban me. I'm just a normal kid. This is my mom. She said we need to eat, but I don't want to eat. I'm still, what's this called again? I'm still not hungry. Oh. Please PTFS other update where this thing works. See this blue and red thing? That thing? Yeah, please it will work so yeah, because I need it sometimes for no reason. I still need to go up. Thanks for this app that I'm using. It's called I forgot. V record or 5 record because V means 5. Alright. Alright, I'm going to I forgot to set the flaps to 1. I should have played that as like the flight controls. So we're actually close to this part again, and we're close because what the heck. First, this part again, today because I really needed it. I'm a beginner. I just played this game 2 weeks ago. Yeah. So we're going here is because there is gonna be this stuff. I mean, yeah. So yeah, just that need it. Because I need it. Slow. No, it's kind of fast though. Ayoko pa kumain, ma. Okay, I'll just eat. So guys, I just finished eating, so that's why I am on cruising mode, so I could not move, just like this. Like my game is frozen. Wait, I don't have sounds. He's still acting. Alright, we go. We're moving again. I'll teach you the Po? Yes? Ha? Oo. It's gonna be more. We're at 200 minutes. We're gonna go a little bit lower. Because we're gonna land. Oh shit, I'm sinking. We're gonna extend our diameters and slow down a little. Don't stall, bro. Don't stall. I think that's okay. So, okay, about to land. Sorry bro, sorry guys. It's kinda thing, it's kinda noisy in our house because there's a lot of people and my sisters, there's 3 of them, but there's only 2 of them because the other one is out. The other one is they just visited me. Po! Wait ba? Naglalatag na ako. So guys, ayan na. Malapit na tayo. Where's the runway? Asan yung runway? Nawawala. Nawawala yung runway. Where did the runway go? Where is it, bro? Nawala. Wait. Where did it go? Wait. Wala pa ata tayo eh. Oh, we're just not that close. We're not that close. Oh, it's here. It's nowhere else. Where is it? Do we need to get up? Oh, it's right over there, bro. I need to circle the airport real quick. Because I didn't see it. But I'm serious. You need to circle it. Fly by. Go right. Go up. Go a little up. Up. And down. And round. And round. What about I landed the main airport? Instead of there. I don't know. So please don't sink. Kay mama ata yan eh. Wait, I have to go like this. Kali, get up. Dos. Get up. Aalis na lahat. Maaari bang pabigyan? Bye bye.
Alam ko yung nakanta niyo.
Bababa. Holy moly daw. It's white. I had to circle and I put.
Yung banigang ginigil. Yung sando. Andun sa gilid, nakasabit.
Okay, baby.
Gamitin niya dyan na pa.
Ganyan, so.
Ang init ng phone.
Right? Ito lang na. Sama na strotot. Go up. Pull up. Pull up. The wind. The wind. Pull up. Okay. Alright, landing.
70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10. Retard, retard.
Yan.
Po. Bakit po, Papa? Mali. Goodness gracious. Hindi tayo nag-crash. Let's go. Oh my god. Butter landing. Kinda. Melted butter. Oh my god. So happy right now. I'm really happy. Oh my god. Thank God. I landed safely. Aalis na lang. Maaari ang pabigyan.
Dito na lang. Lipat na lang.
Yung banig ko kasi malapat naman yan. Yung dalawa. Dito.
Ako mag-drive. Him ko eh. Bakit? Him ko eh. Ang galing nga magpalipad. Di nga. Kakalanding ko pa lang eh. Nag-land ako. Nag-landing.
Ipagpahiga ko.
Lag. Oops.
Yan na nga eh.
Ikot. Mahit. Sadya. Ganun din minsan. Mali.
Mabigat na sumpa.
Ay, sorry.
Katih. Katinangan ko. Sambungan. Wala ko.
Super ma. Gusto mo masipag mo na? Ang tumatugdo. No, no, no.
I just landed on airplane.
Bakit ako morde?
Ako ang motor.
Hindi ka din bayad.
Pera.
Let's go! Let's go!
Ito, may hawak ng pera.
Goodness. Naglanding tayo. Oh my god. Oh my god. Woohoo! Naglanding. Mali. Labas tayo dito. Oh my god.
Ayan, tumagon.